Ever wondered to swim in the pool that's only yours? Well, no. Ever wondered to stay in the project that is developed by our Singapore's leading top developer, CDL, City Developments Limited? Well, fret not. You'll be viewing a beautiful unit here in Tampines.
Exclusive full condo facilities that spans over a land area of 233,000 square feet and daily shuttles bus services to Tampines West and Tampines MRT.
哇，这边 basement 都有 signal。哇，这边 within 1km 有 St. Hilda Primary School， 还有 Ching School。
And St. Hilda's Primary School is top 10 and Ching School is top 38. Be excited for the upcoming mega transformation in the east, Changi Terminal 5 and Changi Waterfront City. Singapore Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong announced that Terminal 5 will add capacity for about 50 million passengers per year and it will be as big as all 4 present terminals put together. Located only 5 bus stops away to Tampines MRT, the Tapestry is a brand new project that TOP during 2021. This project has 861 units and this prestigious developer, City Developments Limited, won the most sustainable design, interior design and the top development. Residents can still enjoy the main facilities such as the gourmet kitchen studio, gym, 100 meters infinity pool, 50 meters lap pool, tennis court, cabana corner during all their leisure time. This unit is sized at 603 square feet, comes with 1 master bedroom, 1 common bedroom, 1 master bathroom and a fully fitted kitchen and a balcony.
As we step into this beautiful home, you can see this stunning kitchen that has perfect top and down cabinets that give you an abundance of storage. Look at the cabinets, the drawers over here, giving you space to put your daily necessities, kitchen essentials that is perfect within easy reach. Look over here on the left, you get more cabinets, storages that you do not need to add any more carpentry, gives you a fully fitted kitchen. Now let's head to the heart of the home, the living and dining area. Notice the seamless addition of this modern carpentry in this living room. It's very beautiful and it blends in well into the color theme of this beautiful home that is developed by City Developments Limited. Welcome to the balcony. This balcony is perfect because you get the sleek glass railing that gives you unobstructed view, and we are on a high floor, gives you bright ventilation, natural light, good for your home.
The balcony can be furnished with comfortable outdoor seating, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or even a glass of wine. Moving to the bedroom, this room combines functionality and comfort, making it an ideal personal retreat. You immediately notice the built-in study corner, a dedicated workspace thoughtfully integrated into this room's design. The floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the space with natural light offers breathtaking and unobstructed views. The Tapestry is also accessible to purchase daily necessities and coffee shops in just 2 minutes walk at Block 878C. While crossing over for amenities, you can enjoy the greenery at Tampines Green Forest Park. Travel 3 minutes more to Block 866A. You can shop at Sheng Siong Supermarket. It is also close proximity to Tampines Mall, Century Square, Tampines One, and our Tampines Hub, and many more.
Hello， 大家好，我是他们花重金3顾茅庐请来的华语翻译配音师。现在来到了华语说明时间，请忽略我这么性感的厚嘴唇子。让我来打开这个首饰收纳门。哇，这边有个镜子，我被我的美貌吓到啦！让我快点关起来，等下美到晕倒。包了我性感的小屁股进来吧。哦，这边就是收纳柜，看到没？我已经把我的包拿进来了，我自己都想住在这边。别看我小只，但是我的腿很长哦，我一脚就能跳上来，还很稳。我脚下有很多收纳空间，但是我就不开给你们看。这边的采光通风都很好，有2个窗。哇，从这边看下去有西北 nice pool view 嘞！有没有感觉到其他的楼都被我踩到了脚底下？因为我们很高楼，我张开双臂都不可以拥抱到你，因为太大啦！多么棒的单位，快来看吧！
The ensuite bathroom is a heaven of luxury, a spacious walk-in shower and chic countertop with premium fixtures. The attention to detail with high-end finishes create a hotel-like experience right in the comfort of your home. Did you know that Tapestry have so much more potential? The government will inject a further $2 billion in the Changi Airport Development Fund so that to anticipate the growth in flights and passengers at Changi Airport in the run-up to Terminal 5. 400 new electric buses are expected to be deployed for passenger service from December 2024 onwards. Changi Aviation Park in Changi region will support new aviation-related industries.
Alright, we come to the end of the home tour and I hope you like this undervalued gem. I'm Eunice from Property 65. Do remember to click like, share and subscribe. We can be found on all social media platforms linked in the description box below.